Hi everyone, today I'm going to read a story called Rain, Rain, Go Away by Viviana Garofalo. Rain, rain, go away. The boys and girls want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again one April day. Then flowers will bloom in the month of May. Rain, rain, go away. Sure looks like today out there, doesn't it? Rain, rain, go away. Come again on Saturday. I don't know, do we want rain on the weekend? Huh? The animals are here, hooray. Rain, rain, go away. Even the animals have their umbrellas. Rain, rain, go away. Now the sun would like to stay. Oh, it's getting brighter. Let everyone come out today. Rain, rain, please go away. Oh, look at it. Everyone's looking out their window at the sunshine. See them? The rain, rain has gone away. Now sunshine is here to brighten our day. Yippee! Goodbye, clouds. Hello, rays. Sun, sun, come and play. So many things to do when it's nice and sunny out. Rain, rain, went away. We'll see you in a couple minutes. Excited. Bye-bye.